friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video I have another product from Bikaji. We have the Bikaji Bikaneri Bhujia. So guys, this is the Bikaji Bikaneri Bhujia with us today, and let's start off with the packaging. So it comes packaging in the simple packaging right here. Right on top you can see the Bikaji branding right here. Then the Bikaneri Bhujia name of the product is given here in English and in Hindi. And then illustration of the different spices used in the bhujia are shown right down here. It says Savoury spice, dew bean and gram flour noodle snacks. Cereal based namkeen, product of India. Image shown for illustrative purposes only. It's a namkeen. Moving on to the back of the bag, the nutritional facts are mentioned right here. And this thing, 1/3 cup, that is around 40 grams, packs in 244 calories. Moving on to the net weight of the tag. The net weight is 200 gram, guys. And coming to the price, the MRP is rupees 58. Guys, if you are looking to buy the Bikaji Bikaneri Bhujia, it's available online on Amazon. I'll left a link in the description below. Do check it out from there. The other things on the pack is the address and various addresses and license numbers. Then there's something written here in Hindi. Bikaneri भुजिया का जन्म करीब 200-250 वर्ष पूर्व बीकानेर में हुआ था और यह महाराज डूंगर सिंह जी ने समय विख्यात हुआ। भुजिया बनाने की कला बिकाजी फूड्स इंटरनेशनल लिमिटेड के परिवार के पास 10-12 पीढ़ियों से चली आ रही है और इसका चलन हमारे परिवार द्वारा ही किया गया है। बीकानेर भुजिया निर्माण के लिए उपयुक्त स्थान है एवं इसी वातावरण में इसका उत्पादन किया जाता है क्योंकि यहाँ मोट की पैदावार भरपूर होती है और यहाँ के पानी व जलवायु की अलग पहचान है। इसलिए भुजिया भौगोलिक चिन्ह की श्रेणी में बीकानेरी भुजिया के नाम से रजिस्टर्ड हुआ है। अतः भुजिया बीकानेरी भुजिया का भौगोलिक चिन्ह देखकर ही खरीदे। Okay, so that's all the information on the pack, guys. Let's go ahead and open this pack up and let's do a quick taste test of the Bikaneri Bhujia. So I'll just quickly grab my scissors and then we'll do a quick taste test. So I opened the pack, guys. A very nice, strong, spicy smell. So this is how the bhujia looks, yellow in color. So guys, here's a taste test of the Bikaji Bikaneri Bhujia. Very tasty, guys. Not very spicy, not very bland. Perfect combination of spices. Has a perfect taste as well. Definitely a 10 on 10 on taste. Something I feel that is lacking in the packaging is the Ziploc bag. They should have provided a Ziploc because you're not going to eat 200 grams of bhujia at one time. So Ziploc would have definitely helped. So guys, if you are looking to buy the Bikaneri Bhujia from Bikaji, it's available online on Amazon. I have left a link in the description below. Do check it out from there. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.